there, I'm Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking to update your dinnerware, then I highly recommend ARORA's round stoneware dinnerware set. This stoneware is a modern take on your classic dinnerware pieces. They are beautiful. I was so happy to receive them all in one piece with no breaks or chips, and I'm obsessed with the subtle flecks and the semi-gloss glaze, which really saves me time by being able to put them in the dishwasher. The stackability keeps us organized, and then that stackability translates beautifully to your table settings and needs. They make your arrangements look so good, and the stoneware is a subtle statement piece in itself. They are well made, very durable, which is great for everyday use for my family, and it's a definite must-have for your next dinner party. I think this dinnerware is able to elevate even your most simple meal. And that is my point of view.